Hello everyone! You are here for the latest video that will make you aware of how to make money on the internet. At a time when many people are now looking for ways to make money, you can successfully make money online with this latest method. So, watch this video till the end. I will teach you how to successfully make money from this website and get that money into your own bank. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, go and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to the bell notification on the other side. Then you can watch the latest videos like this first with this website that I have brought today. You can complete micro jobs and earn extra income. Also, you can get the money you earn quickly to your own bank through this top-rated micro job website. This is the name of the site Pico Workers. Now let's see how to sign up for this website we're talking about today. You can easily sign up for this Pico Workers website through the sign up option. So all you have to do here is choose your username, then an email and a nickname, as well as the country where you live, and then you have terms. You can easily sign up for this website by clicking on sign up and agree to the terms and conditions. So I think you will not have a big problem with how to sign up for this. So you can easily register on this site and start earning money. Once you have successfully signed up, you can view the PicoWorks main interface like this. This way, you can take care of my category as my jobs wallet my task, so you have to start earning money from this website main tab called Find Jobs. Here, you can see the jobs you have to do in the categories under Find Jobs: Instagram promotion, Reddit, Yahoo Answers forums, computer programs, comment on other blogs, phones review, write an article, mobile application blog and websites, and others. So this website has given you many opportunities to earn extra income by completing micro tasks in various fields that you can take care of. If you look at each of these categories, you can search and see what kind of job you currently have to complete on this website. Under Sign Up First, you can see what services they expect through this website. So you can see after I search this, there is a list of jobs to do at the moment, so you can determine your abilities and your income while doing these things. So you can easily dedicate a lot of time to this, and you can easily go to a maximum income of $25 per day through this website. Not only this, if you work for these sites and you have little knowledge, come to this job level, and you can select as a starter. Depends how long you work. You will be upgraded to an advanced expert. So, if you're an expert on this site, this is a good website that you can go to for a big income. Just like completing a job, you can get the relevant benefit. In other words, after signing up for the website, enter the website as they say, and then you can easily update the website details, and you can get good income from this website without any problem, and it is a well-paid website. If you talk about the category of Fight Jobs, you must see the ranking of your buyer before you do the job you choose from the sign-up category, because you can see from the green and blue ones that the service provider is likely to pay you money happens too. So before you do a bar job, be sure to check how many of their jobs have been released and how many are left, because if they have 100 jobs, the job is already complete, and the best thing you can do is do not go for that job at that time. Because if it takes you some time, you will not be allowed to submit the job if you have completed the job and uploaded the relevant information. So you can look at the high rank in the job range, so that if it is in the highest paying category, do not have to be afraid to do it. So keep that in mind, and you can select your payment according to the job. So you hope if one job is a big deal, then you can increase your level by selecting the highest earning jobs from the jobs in this category called jobs. So you can see the status of these fine jobs here. Here is how the rating is based on the rate they pay from the My Tasks option. You can see the details of the number of jobs I have completed and the jobs I have to complete at present, and the details of the pay received for them. This way, you can get the income to the bank as quickly and easily as your PayPal account from this website. Withdrawals can be made after completing the minimum payment of $10. You can find out your earnings details through the wallet section. So sign up for the Pico Workers website now and earn an extra $25 a day. Also, through the PicoWorks affiliate program, you can introduce your friends to this website and earn extra income. So you can register with this website through the affiliate program, increase your income from the commissions received from the employees. So today, I have brought you the freelancing microjob site. To comment below, and you can generate a refer friend and your affiliate income, and you can add more people to this website. I hope I made it clear to you through this video how to make money from this website. So that's it. See you in another important video like this.